If we need a low noise device, we should use A BJT, B FET, C thyristor, D UJT. The correct answer is FET. The principle of locality of reference justifies the use of A interrupts, B DMA, C virtual memory, D cache memory. The correct answer is cache memory. The contents of the commands register are 23H. Then port C. A is an input port, B is an output port, C is both input as well as output port, D none of the above. The correct answer is an input port. Consider the following digital circuits: A1 and 2, B3 and 4, C1, 2 and 3, D1, 2, 3 and 4. The correct answer is 1 and 2. Which of the following bus is used to transfer data from main memory to peripheral device? A DMA bus, B output bus, C input bus, D data bus. The correct answer is DMA bus. An 8085 microprocessor-based system uses a 4K x 8-bit RAM whose address in AU. The address of the last byte in this RAM is A of B1000H, C B9FFH, D BA00H. The correct answer is BA00H. Read the following statements dual-slope ADC provides: A1 and 2, B2 and 3, C1, 2, 3, D1, 2, 3, 4. The correct answer is 2 and 3. In 8085 microprocessor, how many I/O ports can be accessed by memory mapped method? A8, B256, C32K, D64K. The correct answer is 32K. The open wired circuit in the given figure works as A XNOR gate, B AND gate, C XOR gate, D NOR gate. The correct answer is XOR gate. The circuit shown below is functionally equivalent to A NOR gate, B OR gate, C XOR gate, D NAND gate. The correct answer is XOR gate. In an RS latch, to set the output to high, AR is low and S is high, BR and S are high, CR and S are low, DR is high and S is low. The correct answer is R is low and S is high. The amplifier used in Miller voltage sweep should have a gain of A, B1, C, D1. The correct answer is: how many different binary numbers can be stored in a register consisting of 6 switches? A 16, B 32, C 64, D 128. The correct answer is 64. In one of the codes for transfer of numbers, the code for the succeeding number differs from that of the number only in the change of a single digit. The code is A C, B XS3 code, C gray code, D none of these. The correct answer is gray code. Microprogram is A, the name of the source program in microcomputer, B, the set of instructions indicating the primitive operations in one system, C, the general name of macros in assembly language programming, D, the name of programs of very small size. The correct answer is the set of instructions indicating the primitive operations in one system. The number of programmable 16-bit registers of 6800 are A2, B3, C4, D5. The correct answer is 3. In 8085 microprocessor, if interrupt service requests have been received from all of the following interrupts, then which one will be serviced first? A RST 5.5, B RST 6.5, C RST 7.5, D none. The correct answer is RST 7.5. In floating point representation, the number of bits of mantissa is A 10, B 9, C 8, D 7. The correct answer is 10. The clock shown in figure has a frequency of 6 MHz. The frequency of the Q output will be A 12 MHz, B 24 MHz, C 3 MHz, D 1.5 MHz. The correct answer is 3 MHz. Which of the following can provide a digital signal? A slow change in the value of a resistor, B sine wave, C square wave, D gradual turning of a potentiometer. The correct answer is square wave. If all bubbles are removed, what are the new RAM locations? The 8156 of a figure has RAM locations from 2000H to 20FFH. A 8000H83F floor H, B 80H80F floor H, C floor F00HFFFFH. D none of the above. The correct answer is floor F00HFFFFH. Data are recorded on a 400 feet reel of magnetic tape at a density of 556 characters per inch. If the record length is of 100 characters and 0.75 inch of record gap, the tape utilization factor is A 0.85, B 0.67, C 0.19, D 0.08. The correct answer is 0.19. Some of MOS families are MOS CMOS, the family dominating the LSI field where low power consumption is necessary is A NMOS, B CMOS, C MOS, D both MOS CMOS. The correct answer is CMOS. For a particular type of memory, the access time and cycle time are 200 ns each. The maximum rate at which data can be accessed by A 2.5x106s, B 5x106s, C 0.2x L06s, D 106s. The correct answer is 2.5x106s. Which of the following binary product is incorrect? A 1100x1010 111100, B 1.01x10.111.001, C 11001110, extension 100011001100000. D none of the above. The correct answer is none of the above. In DTL, the junction transistor serves as A inverter, B buffer amplifier, C both A and B. D none of the above. The correct answer is both A and B. A 16x8 ROM stores these words in its first 4 locations as given below. Which of this represents 3ch in hexadecimal? A R01110, 0010, B R10101, 0111, C R20011, 1100, D R31011, 1111. The correct answer is R20011, 1100. Decade counter has 4 flip-flops and skips states 10 to 15. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. A parity detector can detect A single error only, B single error or odd number of errors, C 2 errors, D single or 2 errors. The correct answer is single error or odd number of errors. Which of the following display consumes least amount of power? A LCD, B LED, C. Fluorescent display. D. All display consumes same power. The correct answer is LCD. The converter whose conversion time is independent of number of bits is A. Dual stop. B. Counter type. C. Parallel conversion. D. Successive approximation. The correct answer is parallel conversion. Serial input data of 8085 can be loaded into bit 7 of the accumulator by A. Executing a RIM instruction. B. Executing RSTI. C. Using trap. D. None of the above. The correct answer is executing a RIM instruction. The logic operations of the two circuits given below are A. Complementary. B. Identical. C. Entirely different. D. None of these. The correct answer is entirely different. Which of the following is incorrect? A. 111 to 10 to 9. B. 111 2nd February 2010 9:16. C. 7th February 1001 2. D. None of the above. The correct answer is none of the above. A register is A. A group is memories. B. A group of devices that store digital data. C. A chip used in computers. D. A pure silica piece used in digital systems. The correct answer is a group of devices that store digital data. In 8085 microprocessor, when trap interrupt is triggered, program control is transferred to location A. 0020H. B. 0024H. C. 0028H. D. 002CH. The correct answer is 0024H. In 8085 microprocessor, what is the length of SP stack pointer? A. 6 bits. B. 8 bits. C. 12 bits. D. 16 bits. The correct answer is 16 bits. A crystal is frequently used in digital circuits for timing purpose because of its A. Low cost. B. High frequency stability. C. Simple circuitry. D. Ability to set frequency at desired value. The correct answer is high frequency stability. The value of program counter of 6800 at power on or after reset is A. 000. B. FFFE. C. User programmable. D. FFFF. The correct answer is FFFE. The Boolean expression for the subclass Q of all electronic instruments which are measuring instruments or are non-digital instruments with battery supply is A. QXYZ. B. QXYZ. C. QXYZ. D. QXYZ. The correct answer is QXYZ. Serial in serial out shift register can be built using D flip-flops. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. A binary ladder network DA converter requires A. Resistors of one value only. B. Resistors of many different values. C. Resistors of two different values. D. None of the above. The correct answer is resistors of two different values. Data from a satellite is received in serial form one bit after another. If this data is coming at a 5 MHz rate and if the clock frequency is 5 MHz, how long will it take to serially load a word in a 32-bit shift register? A. 1.6 ms. B. 3.2 ms. C. 6.4 ms. D. 12.8 ms. The correct answer is 6.4 ms. Assuming accumulator contain A64 and the carry is set 1. What will register A and CY contain after CMA? A6 R1. B6 R0. C59H0. D9H0. The correct answer is 59H0. The minimum number of 2-input NAND gates required to implement Boolean function ABC is ABC are available is A2, B3, C5, D6. The correct answer is 5. Single parity check is not reliable in case of A. Paper tape, B. Magnetic tape, C. Magnetic drum, D. cores. The correct answer is magnetic drum. A 0 to 6 counter consists of 3 flip-flop and a combinational circuit of 2 input gates. The combinational circuit consists of A1 AND gate, B1 OR gate, C1 and 1 OR, D2 AND gate. The correct answer is 2 AND gate.